Hello children, in last video we had complete up to worksheet 13. Now it's come worksheet 14. Given below is the picture of the guest room where the thief who stole the necklace stared. Observe the picture carefully and write your observation in the given below. You may take help from the verbs given in the box. Do not form or use did not in your observation. Yes, the first one has been done for you. For example, verbs are given here. Close the door, switch off the fan, pack the suitcase, eat the ice cream, like this. What you have to do, what he forgot, that you have to write. We can see from the picture also. First is done for you, he did not close the door. Door is open. Now second is switch off the fan. He did not switch off the fan. You have to use the verb did not. That means you have to change the sentence in negative, simple past negative form, and that you can do yourself. Okay. Now next worksheet 15. In the box given below, regular verbs and irregular verbs have got mixed up. What you have to do, put them into appropriate boxes and also write the simple past form. Now here verbs are given and jumbled verbs. You have to take out regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs means the verbs in their past form which end in ed, d or t are called regular verbs. So that you have to find and write over here. And irregular verbs are those which are not ending with ed, d or t. Its spelling is changed. For example, eat, ate. Spelling is changed. Take, took. Write, wrote. Forget, forgot. These all are irregular verbs. So you have to find regular verbs and irregular verbs from the box and write their past form. Okay? Yes. Now come to the next worksheet 16. A theft in the palace. In this also, what you have to do, I just tell in short, you can do that is also yourself. Police is asking to the thief how this happened and all these things. Okay. So, police officer, why you steal the necklace? Why you steal the necklace? One word is missing, helping verb. Which is that? क्या हम जब किसी से कोई भी बात करते हैं, आपने ऐसा क्यों किया था? In which form we are asking? In past form, है ना? So, here also, whenever we ask in past form, what the word we using? Did. So why did you steal the necklace? So what he will say? I steal for money. No, past form. That is V2 form. You have to change the verb into V2 form. I stole it for money. Now same way, when you steal it? When did you steal it? I stole it while dance party was going on. That you will get from here, from this passage. Okay, now can you do yourself? Yes. Now, and that you have to do, try to yourself. And if you have any doubt in this, any worksheet, you can ask me on my personal number. Okay, I will tell you. Now come to the worksheet 17. In that also, what happened? The passage is given here. What you have to do, find the regular verbs and write down in the rectangular, and irregular verbs in this circle. Okay, that's it only. Now last is do it yourself. In this some errors are there, past form errors. For example, while a gathered man was standing his goats in a pasture. Gathered man, it's wrong. What is the past form of gathered? That is gathered. Gathered. He see a number of wild goats. He see? No, it will be saw. He saw. So see is wrong. You have to correct it and write over here. Saw. Like that, in question 2 also, what you have to write the past form of the verb given in the bracket. When the weather dash improve. Improves past form, improved. The gathered led. Led का क्या होगा? Led. LED led. Gods to the pasture. But when they reach. Reach past form, reached. Okay, like this. And you have to complete it Up to here, our second lesson, it's complete over here. Complete it in your workbook, that is practice book, all worksheet, and submit it on my personal number. Okay, bye.